Hi everybody,
And welcome to another brilliant Shake Awake dance video.
Today we'll be taking you through a carnival party dance. This includes some Latin American style dance movements.
These styles of dance come from countries inside of Central and South America and have influences in places outside of these areas.
We will be using these dance styles. The cha-cha from Cuba, the salsa from Cuba, the merengue from
Dominicano
and the samba from
Brazil. Most of these dances are traditionally danced with a partner, but don't worry, we'll show you the steps so you can dance it without a partner.
First, we'll show you the dance and then we'll break it down move by move. Are you ready?
Vámonos!
Woo! Samba! Hey! It's samba! Salsa! To the salsa! Hey! Hey! Now! Volta! Oh yeah! A volta! Okay! Now merengue! Oye. Woo, woo. Merengue. Keep it going. Merengue, 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 merengue. That's amazing. Merengue, 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 merengue. And voltas. Now cha-cha. Now voltas. Now cha-cha. And there we go.
Now it's your turn to learn. Samba. This is move 1. For the samba, you have 1 foot in front, knee slightly bent, and bounce down for 4. Switch and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Brilliant. Now keep going with the samba. This time bounce for 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Looking good. Well done. Now for the salsa. This is move 2. Step back on 1 foot. Rock forward to close feet. Step forward on 1 foot and rock back to close feet. Back, close, forwards, close. Back, close, forwards, close. Keep going. Try circling your hips on each step. Voltas. For this, you're going to do a bouncing turn on the spot. You can go around once or twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then side step left and close, side step right and close. Repeat. Side close, side close. Repeat the whole section. Voltas. Side close left, side close right, side close left and side close right. Ready? Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side close, side close, side close, side close. Brilliant. The merengue. This is move 4. Keep your feet close together, 1 knee straight, 1 knee bent. And change. Keep popping your knees on the spot. You can move forwards. You can raise your arms high, or you can turn on the spot. It's a party move, the merengue. The cha-cha, move 5. For the cha-cha, you are going to step forwards on your right foot, rock back onto your left foot, and triple step to the right, cha-cha-cha. Now step forwards onto your left foot, rock back onto your right foot, and triple step to the left. Cha-cha-cha. Well done, that's the cha-cha-cha done, and the final move. Remember, you can rewind and rehearse each movement, or try dancing the whole routine along with us. Good luck!
We hope you enjoyed our Latin American shake-awake dance.
Don't forget, you can always press replay and do it all again.
Bye!
Hasta luego, see you soon!
Keep it going.
For more creative learning, visit www.magicmountaincreative.com.
That's amazing.